Hello, Kuki people, Nadam Namo Sepai Kale Move. So hope everyone is doing well. So today we have one short movie, guys, with English subtitle. So Seng Pu Manglun, song by Len Haokip. So within this short movie, there is also one music video we'll watch also, guys. So I'm so curious and to watch it also because it has English subtitles, so it will be easy for me also to understand it. And most of the Cookie music video and the short film is always based on the true story. So I'm curious just to know what is going to happen. And number four, what does it mean by now? No.4 Heroin short movie. You can tell me, guys. So let's start. Cookie official music video. Number four, heroin. They are putting injection and drugs. They are saying no to drugs. Okay. I think it's something related to drugs also. Sit back, have your cup of tea, and enjoy with us. RB Media, guys. Here it is, Uncle. This is 3 lakh. This is full amount. Thank you so much. You have solved all my problem. Okay. Which problem do you have, Uncle? I think someone is sick.
Hello,
Hello. How are you?
Henny, go boy test result.
I have disturbing news. Disturbing news.
HIV positive here.
Oh my gosh. It's having HIV positive.
No, I am Henny.
When are you coming?
Doctor Hondi
The
ho na
hospital
suking
authority
law.
requires to clear.
Napot
all the
hello ding at UV.
outstanding.
Kalunga kambale Henny.
Kipa me hichihi ike hodung zuyin nang yona sublit ta in pata hikcho ying ta
Hinge pa kipao me pa
but so is that hitan.
Lak ni la sang som nga di uneve Henny.
They need
Some so kan
2.5
po
lakh.
ka hung pe di hitat. Halong kambal hin boy.
Hang. Hoy lang sumong Henny.
Nagangin in mo na su hitan.
Ipidi nga hitsimi don mo hazan na ding pianta ka ganyin mo na zuham ka tiso.
Akit hap talang le in mo nang ida ala ungay ta.
Okay, so the dad sold the house. They are going to vacate.
Chule isi mabanga
See,
akid hapta
they're
le
doing
mo
the
hinyo
agreement.
talo dio hampa
ibak kilo ding ham kil he yalang kana od diu ta chu
hinge pa chitangile dam tauti
Sang boy pa.
Your son
Sa
action
pasay nga,
of
lo,
ruining
kampi,
our
bolkin eh.
asset.
Nilago tampi chano ta
Your
hin
son
lang.
action of ruining.
Ibay lo de ham. Ayin sung tu si ma kon hin. Kham thei bol khang dong tam ta in. Chi thei nan hin nei mei ta han.
in hichi choi lang
Take
la
this
chapa
money
ba pu
and
da
get some
na monu ta bol thi dan nan bol honin
Ala nang yang hung tango sang boy pa.
ka hunga poi sang boy nu ka tha ne me na monu to aphat phat nong ki pi honin lang ti ying ta nang nin hin pui honin
This is really so painful. They have to sell their house.
Sang boy pa. Ani ki hagyal wal hin o. Iza kai pathen hi nga ngam la mei ta hi te.
Amen, amen. Let's trust in God. Nothing else they have. They lost their house and their son is infected.
o pathe
Oh God, as per
khang se
human
dola sa
imagination,
ten mula pa te
Soviet God, so on should
kagam sungo hin kani number 4 trak ho hin khang dong tam ta ta sala lagaw hin kun adai lagam ta ta sala lagaw amang ta khangdong tam
I think there is a drug. There is a famous drug in that place called No.4.
kada la thi na di wi kalum thum chi ne holim pi jing na opakai.
Oh my gosh. Sang boy, what is this bad behavior, sang boy? Should not go for No.4.
Sopi na wang phamongonge na hin nei samjang ti bo mai tan ki hozin hat wang hai pon
God grace has granted
thin zala na
you
dam
recovery.
hin ave lai ta
Don't
bang drug
fall
si
prey to
nung ne ki
drug
lo ting
again.
dei sa na hi aban na bol zum le wang
Say no to drug, guys. Say no to No.4.
hindi search paper na po ti oi tai
Paper you may need.
Doctor, kaki pa eh.
Doktor kipa awu me.
Yo heni na inawhin po in kan ko sangin po in.
Henu hepa nei lago le in mun ne koi pi hon ho hi alo thei lawin na tu pon hin khu hu na in kana ju do khatan ana la se hon hi
So sad. I think they arrive now. They have to sail there
now sen dang bo se hin nu to hom to ta kani hon nei
along
so
with your mother.
nong ki ngol sa au din sing thei
Be
ta hin
cautious
konan
in
la di
life
so
and career.
Yang hepa
Yes, Daddy.
to hinang le kanun ke ka de de nei bol piung isa chapa pha se
I
nga
promise to listen to you
ka
and
sa
Mom.
din
You promised, but now you failed them.
officer kong hi din nang to kanun nung ta kom sound di cho hepa
Eh, kanaw chu achim tabe.
yo boy in ko chabi in mun kan ottawi
Hinge pa ki pau mi le.
They sold the house, now they had to leave.
inu ipani inelo no ta inalam do pia sa pa ba singai lo kini na lama tunini ko ai hilai tul po ai
All because of you, sang boy. Many people on this earth, some are blessed with fortune in every home. And some are not blessed. But alas, in my family, the husband is addicted to drugs, cannot even listen to his wife. Now they came to their grand village house. Energetic youth can lose their way. See, they're all smoking. Well, one can fall into
No.4 na chona
This is No.4.
do na ding zo in manta No.4 Heroin Igam kham na thaya
No.4 addiction. It's not a wise man's way.
hey na sa sa na de lo hey na sa sa mo zong chong se a hi da zing ta lung se nin hi in sung kito ta sing ho hu ka ve ting ka de o cha nan ka im zi
Happy family is next to holiness. May the prayer of our fathers and mothers soon.
No.4 Heroin Igam khắp là thấy lon chung chính
Just running with the money.
Hey na sa sa na delo Hey na sa sa mo zong tong se hi
Oh my God.
Da zing ta
Whose day is that? Oh shit. What a useless boy. This is so bad. Oh my God. She fainted also.
No.4 Heroin Igam khắp là thấy lon chung chính bo Hey na sa sa na delo Hey na sa sa mo zong tong se hi Da zing pa lung si nin
This is so touching, guys.
Ni da zing ta lung si nin
Wow, Patin.
Oh God, look at our tears.
Chưa không nó thấy
Drag
đâu
has
lại hồi gì.
ravaged our
Các
land.
hấp su cái năm sung ngô. Ta sao lại là
Separate
làm
this
cái đó
generation
là
from
gặp ta mẹ
you,
Patin.
both physically and spiritually.
Lúc sẽ thấy
Please
miễn khi là
eradicate
thấy
this
khi
destructive force
muốn chỉ
from
phải
our
lâu
land.
ý. Các hấp su bà con đi. Này su mẹ pita vô Patin. Vô Patin. Vô cái
Oh
nào.
my son,
Không thấu
oh my
vô.
God. Written and directed by Chingboy Hang Mi. Oh my gosh, what a great work from Chingboy. Salute from Africa. You really did a great work. This is not only just music or a short movie, guys. This is a great work, guys. I really love this. Like, I just first want to thank the director for producing this amazing and directing such amazing music video in a short film, guys. This is really so helpful, not only for the land of Kuki or for the Manipur. It is for everyone in this world who will be whoever will watch this, guys. Just know you're blessed. This is really a great message for all of us today, especially the youth, guys. Like, honestly, this is based on a true story. Like, most of the people, they are really addicted for the drugs. They are addicted into drugs. And I came to know that there is one famous drug, maybe in Kukiland or in Manipur, is called No.4. Maybe that is, I don't know much about it, but it's kind of an injection drug, which is so dangerous. And maybe a lot of people there, they are so addicted to that, and making them to lose their responsibility and to lose their life, guys, which is really something bad. And I really feel bad watching this, but at the same time I just love it because this is so advising, this is so informative. I love this, guys. Even myself, I really love, I love it. Like, it's an advice for me also. It's an advice for me that we should not do drugs, guys. This is really very important. You should share this kind of video. You should let other people be aware. And not only about drug, we should also be careful of our body, guys. Like you saw the boy, Sang boy, he got infected by HIV, guys, which is because of his all of the time is losing his consciousness. So it's ending up in doing reckless and bad behavior, which lead into such bad thing, guys. So we should be aware of such thing, guys. Life is short. We should not get addicted to something that will let us lose our life, guys. Thank you, Ching Boy, and all the team who made this amazing video, guys. This is really so helpful. And I read in the news that the Manipur government also stopped the tobacco, the chewing of tobacco for 1 year, something like that, which is really a great message. I think like the Manipur people, they are addicted to drug, because if not, they will not stop that, because all over India they love tobacco. That, how do you call it, tobacco, or that thing, they love chewing it and they spit red like that. All over India I see people, they are so addicted to that, and it is a great thing that the Manipur government stop it, and so that it will reduce the consumption of drug. Guys, don't consume anything, whether tobacco, cigarette, all those things, guys. It has a bad impact to our health, guys. So thank you so much, love from Africa, guys, and thank you for suggesting this amazing video. Even myself, I benefit and I got information, and I'm aware on how to be careful for my life. Love you all, and we will also pray for the people who lost their life, got infected, and going through hard time. Love you all, till next time.